Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and the chores that I used to absolutely dread no longer intimidate me thanks to this TVD Steam Cleaner. This thing comes with every attachment I could possibly need, so I feel totally equipped for cleaning my complete house. It's very simple and fast to attach them and switch between them depending on what chore I'm doing. It is so incredibly powerful. I really like that I can adjust the amount of steam that comes out of it, so I can really tailor it to whatever task is at hand. I feel like I can tackle all kinds of dirt using this steam cleaner. It immediately softens and releases even cooked on food grime on our stovetop. Using it with the metal brush head attachment easily removes it. We're deep into the winter season now, and lately our back porch floor was so dirty with snow, salt, and mud. Thankfully, it was not a big job to clean it. All I had to do was attach the extender and floor attachment, and it took every bit of dirt off of the floor. It cleans so quickly, and it's really great at maintaining the steam pressure, so I can keep using it for about a half an hour. Because of this and the fact that it has such a long cord means that I can get a lot of cleaning done anywhere in my house. I have found that there is no mess that is a match for the super cleaning force that this TVD steam cleaner delivers. But that's just my point of view.